This video kinda needed monkey entrance thingy. Is there funky music? Anyway, good morning, evening, day or night, candidates and ladies and gentlemen who quest or troll the wonderful land of YouTube. My name is Trolombo.
And my name is Metal FH.
Does it monkey FH? Oh, sorry. My drink! Sorry. And as you may have noticed, we're not wearing any pants. Well, not any long pants. We're wearing like shorts because
They're shorts.
yeah, we're just doing a relaxed gaming video. We're gonna check out some games on Game Jolt, yo. Like this monkey game.
How about you control his left hand like when he has to press and I his right?
Okay, that might work. That's kind of funny.
Okay. I pressed I.
I pressed F.
Oh,
If.
F! We have a word!
See how happy the monkey's face was because it pressed F. If mixed.
Until?
If mixed until. What's this? Penalty jobs prevented.
What?
The BBC version. iPhone. Hoverboard fast. Definitely. What is this? Fopple. This is not gonna become a word. Deprived handed
Baby eats frog.
It's raining tadpoles. What's this?
If mixed until a jobs prevented, the BBC Persian committed road north to local 632 after a Dolce and Gabbana. I Big Fro Frog pretended. Alexam dictated. Bob as her circulated, narrowed and grew.
What? That sounds like a weird, some kind of thing from a badly written novel. Like, as her circulated, narrowed.
What
and
happened to
grew.
the baby eats frogs and it's raining tadpoles?
Yeah,
That was one of the funniest shit that was in there. No, you. What?
Which?
What?
The
From the Dollar Tree? Grabbed.
Facebook?
Even though
Craigslist
Craigslist Miami
is a mystery.
rebuilt.
Joint?
What?
WS script couple?
WS.
Banana nose?
Miss Matrix during a
S
Sears?
V T
The Tumblr? Impressed. Tumblr impressed.
That's a good sentence, that's so good there.
Okay. Okay.
The monkey is happy.
Which stock published bound Drogoff.
That's a good name.
The FedEx tracking of Dollar Tree.
That
Your
sounds like
lost
an evil vampire. I am the evil vampire Dragov!
Without my MK there. Man, grabbed. Facebook, even though Craigslist Miami rebuilt, joined. What?
This looks like...
W script coupled banana nose Matrix during a Sears. Your failure delayed, but Tumblr impressed. K. F vanished, or the disease
Oh my god.
inspected.
Saw alarm.
The WWE.
What? Like... What?
Froggids baby again. Hello, deserved. No, full favorite an affogato. Boston during HLN Facebook. There is no escape. Light despite Eddie Lacy. Jeez. Froggy's baby saw along the WWE.
J
Bitch. J confused. D. hydroelectric love potato required, but many movie concerns. Lyrior find for because fitness. Frog eats baby, the po expected when the bestest potato in
Word. Lyrior find.
10 out of 10.
E.g. until Chuck won a banana. What a banana answered. Contained.
BBC America believed ban Anna. What did she do wrong?
Banana.
Talked.
It's like banana.
Bot 8-0. Buy it on Irohi. The Irohia Umsge.
Bad
This is the worksheet. A skill. Retired. Easy bib derived Mbusa. IG until Duke won a banana answered contained F disagreed. Fucking F. Il Tireno named despite Oxepam long. I will twisted above the calendar. I think he twisted.
DS banned.
The DS is banned. But BBC America believed. Set until ban Anna.
Wait, is that a drunken Arnold Schwarzenegger saying something?
Ben Anna.
Don't.
Pot 8 bided on the Irohala.
That's somebody puking like.
About the Zapper worksheet. A skill retired.
So you don't need the skill anymore.
Evaluated after a debox theater. I united. A Frogo Baggins fire and Frog get imported an eep past reso. Oh! Because it says that.
Oh yeah, it does.
It says reso. Yeah. Yeah.
And also like, if you want to play this game,
Don't. No, play
it's
it.
kind of funny.
It's fun.
So what's it called again?
It's called Infinite Monkey Autocorrect.
Infinite Monkey Autocorrect is what this game is called, and you can find it on Game Jolt.
I
if
will
you look for it.
link
We'll
the
link
game
it in the description below.
below.
In the description below.
Get
Okay.
it?
Okay. What was that?
Okay.
There was an Arnold coming out. It's like, and we'll. I will catch you in the next video.
Thanks for watching our video.
Did you like that video? Don't forget to like it if you like it. If you don't like it as well.
Leave a comment and share the video with your friends.
Don't forget to subscribe and be real, Lolzosaurus.
See you in the next video.